Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Square Dashboard for Retail Business Strategy, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Square. Hit the Enter key to navigate to the Square homepage. Look for the Sign In button, typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email associated with your Square account. After entering your email, click on the Next button. Now, you will need to enter your password. Type your password into the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, select the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password if necessary. Once your password is entered, click on the Sign In button again. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your mobile device. You may need to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email. After entering the verification code, click Verify. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Square dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features available. Explore different sections like Sales, Inventory, and Customer Management. Utilize the dashboard to strategize your retail business effectively. Remember to log out when finished to enhance security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.